How to create subtask automations on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create subtask automations on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, open your ClickUp account and here at the left side, click on the list you wish to create the automation in. Here you can either create a new list or select any existing list which you already have. Once you've written the list name or the task name, you can set the backlog which as planning, in process, or ready for review, any of it. And then over here at the top right, you'll be able to see automation. So just click on automations. Once you click on automations, you'll be redirected to this page and it'll say that the project has been created. You can first set the trigger, that what will trigger the automation. So what basically happens is that if this is triggered, then this would happen. Like you have to select a trigger. Like for example, if I've set status changes, that if the task status changes from any status, like from let's select from just started. If the task status is changed from just started to active, then I have to specify that if this trigger happens, then this would happen. Like you can just set an automation like that. First select the what is triggered, and then over here in then section you can write that set custom field and write down any field name which you have already saved earlier, or your friends or colleagues have already saved that on your ClickUp and you can use that too. Or you can even create a new field by clicking on create new field and select any of it from here. Then you can click on plus icon and you can change assignees. You can select a user. Like over here we've said that when the status is triggered, then the assignees are changed to this one. So you have to set assignee over here. You can select any of it from watchers, task creators. Here there's only me, so I'm going to click on me and then click on plus. And you can also click on advanced and select, you can remove assignee or reassign it to anyone else. And you can also apart from changing assignees, you can even select many other options such as add to current sprint. You can select a sprint folder over here, or you can also set more conditions. Like you can just click on it and you can select any of the conditions, such as like, you know, create list. And once you click on that, you will be able to locate where the list should be created. For example, let's select the marketing project, that space, or you can even write down the name that where the list needs to be saved. There are also numerous other actions like create a subtask, and you can just select the parent task, like what needs to be the parent task of the subtask. You can just select that over here. All of your tasks would be displayed over here, like just select any of it, and the subtask would be created within the section of that task. You can write down the name over here, and then you can even give it numerous fields. Those can be existing already, or you can even select them yourself, or you know, created by your colleagues or something. And now over here, after that, you'll be able to see templates. So you can just select any subtask template which you already have saved or created in your list, or you can even use templates from template center that your friends have created. And once you've selected the template, you can just come here and select other stuff, like there are status. You can write down what is the status of the subtask. You can select in progress and then write down a little bit description of that, what the subtask is about. You just write it according to your own demand. And then also select the fields over here, just give it a look over here. And then priority, now you're going to set priority, like whether your colleagues needs to see, is the task urgent, high, normal, or low. Now the urgent tasks would be done quickly, and they'll say that leave everything and just focus on this task first. And then this is the due date, like when do you want to set the due date. Days after trigger, on trigger date, choose a date. You can just select any of it. Let's select days after trigger date. Now over here you need to write down the days. Now 5. Now I want my due date to be 5 days after the trigger date. And now you're going to select the start date. Now let's let the start date be on trigger date. And then over here you can write down tags. You can either create new tags or use any existing tags you have. And now over here you need to assign it, like just assign it to anyone, watchers, task creators, or anyone. And then over here you need to write down the task type, that what type is the task. Is it a task or it is a milestone? So after that you can even select any custom fields which you wish to add according to your own choice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was how you can create a subtask automation on ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.